This is a quick video on how to push out activities and questions to the Nspires without using the Navigator system. First thing I've done is I've connected, I've got 10 calculators in a docking station connected to my computer. I can also do up to 30, so I can connect the docking stations together and then do all 30 at one time. After you have that done, you're going to go to your software, which is this one right here. I already have it open. Whenever it opens, you should see screen should look like this. So I have my TI Nspire is normally the folder that it defaults to. I can see my calculators that are connected. It's got this little icon here because they're all in press to test mode. We typically try to keep them in press to test mode. You go to, once you have all that, what we're going to do is we're going to transfer. So you go to Tools, Transfer Tool, then Add to Transfer List, and then I'm going to go to my folder. So typically it would open like this. I would go over to where I have it located. So I'm looking at, we're going to do new item types, stuff for Summer Academy. I want to do power standards. Now it won't let me move this entire folder all at once, but I can select one and then hit the shift button and select them all. Once I've selected them all, I'm going to hit select. You can see them all listed here. And then I'm just going to click Start Transfer. And it will transfer all of those files to each of the calculators. Pretty quick. Once it's done, just hit Stop Transfer. I'm not going to stop it because I want to make sure that it's done.